Since the introduction of steel-hulled vessels, water has been used as ballast to stabilize vessels at sea. Ballast water is pumped in to maintain safe operating conditions throughout a voyage. Doing so reduces stress on the hull, provides stability, and compensates for weight changes due to changes in cargo and fuel consumption. While ballast water is needed for the use of modern shipping, it may carry a multitude of problems with it.
There are hundreds of organisms carried in ballast water that cause problematic ecological effects outside their natural range. The ballast water that is disposed contains a variety of harmful substances such as oil contaminants, non-native marine species, and diseases. This introduction of non-native species is considered to be one of the five major threats to marine biodiversity identified in the Convention of Biodiversity. The effects of introducing new animals and plants can be almost undetectable or conversely can dominate and displace native communities. An example of this issue is the introduction of comb jellyfish into the Black Sea, which caused the near extinction of anchovy and spread fisheries.
While this issue might seem insurmountable, several steps can be taken to prevent the transportation of invasive marine species. One simple step that may help prevent many stowaway species from invading new areas is simply flooding and refilling ballast tanks with water from the open ocean before they arrive in port. Most coastal species are incapable of surviving in the deep ocean. Another step is installation and use of a ballast water treatment system in ships. These systems use different methods to prevent the transportation of invasive species. These methods range from physical filtration to radiation or chemical treatments.
It should be noted that ballast water has been disposed by ships in ports since the early 1900s, and it has still been a highly unpredictable issue as the probability of harmful species being introduced in any port is low, but potential for harm is high should it occur. Recognizing that the possible severity of the consequences, the IMO has taken action by developing guidelines for preventing the introduction of non-native species, which aim to minimize the effects. As an anthropogenic issue, the prevention techniques and plans continue to progress as vessels continually seek to have more efficient and environmentally sound technology.